learners, students. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on a summary of Mr. Know All, penned by William Somerset Maugham. William Somerset Maugham was a great playwright, essayist, and short story writer of modern age in England. He was a very famous writer. William Somerset Maugham earned his own name in English literature by dint of his literary masterpieces. The most significant thing about William Somerset Maugham is that his story is full of suspense, twist, turn, humor, laughter, and all the great qualities which are to be found in a successful short story. Dear students, here I am going to talk about Mr. Know All by William Somerset Maugham. Mr. Know All is a very interesting, entertaining, and amusing short story. The story has three important characters. They are Max Caleda. He is the central character of the short story. The second important character is Mr. Ramsay, and the third important character is Mrs. Ramsay, wife of Mr. Ramsay. The speaker or the narrator of this story is the writer himself. The writer makes a voyage, sea journey from San Francisco in USA to Yokohama in Japan. The ship is overcrowded. Many passengers are aboarded in the ship. There is commotion to get rooms, seats, or berth in the cabins designated for the passengers or meant for the passengers. However, the narrator or the speaker gets a seat in the ocean going linear or ship. The ship is bound to Yokohama in Japan from San Francisco in America. The writer comes across a very strange man in his cabin. This is Max Caleda, the central character of this short story. He looks weird and strange. He has a big briefcase or suitcase. His suit contains all the things and commodities which are needed or required in a sea journey or voyage. His luggage is so packed in his briefcase or suitcase that his clothes or dresses are visible from the inside of the suitcase or briefcase. It is a big luggage. Now, there is another important couple in the ship or the ocean going linear. They are Mr. Ramsay and Mrs. Ramsay. Mr. Ramsay is husband and Mrs. Ramsay is his lovely wife. They are journeying or traveling from San Francisco, USA to Yokohama, Japan. Now, anyhow, they also get their berths or seats or rooms in the same ship in the same cabin where the writer is sitting. Now, Max Caleda is a very peculiar type of man. He talks a lot on a plethora of subjects and themes in his cabin. The subjects cover politics, government, businesses, jobs, services, and all the professions and occupations that run on the earth and under the sky or under the sun. Max Caleda also claims that he knew not only all things around the world or universe, he also knows all the things accurately, exactly, and correctly. He claims that there is no person or man in the world who can say or claim that he or she knows more than Max Caleda. Max Caleda tells the passengers on board that he knows all the things about everything under the sun which are worth knowing. Now, Max Caleda happens to peep or look at a chain of precious metal around her neck. Mrs. Ramsay puts on this uh, chain around her neck and it gets covered with her clothes. However, Max Caleda peeps or looks at the chain and he puts forth his claim that this chain of precious metal is pure, unadulterated, unmixed, and good. But Mrs. Ramsay says, no, her chain is not pure, it is cultured, adulterated, and not pure. So, Mr. Max Kaleda's claim is not correct. However, Max Kaleda tells that he is a specialist in the business of the metal. So he knows much more about the business of the metal of the chain, which are worth knowing. Not only this, Max Kaleda takes out a magnifying glass from his pocket and begins to examine and test the metal of the chain of Mrs. Ramsay. All the passengers on the board are very eager to see what happens in the end. Max Kaleda also promises that if he loses the bet, he will give money to Mr. Ramsay or Mrs. Ramsay, and if he wins the bet, he will take money from Mr. Ramsay or Mrs. Ramsay. On examination and test of the metal of the chain, it is found that the metal is a cultured, unpure, adulterated, and mixed one. Here, the story writer gives a certain twist and turn to his story, which is his characteristic feature, a special feature of the story writer, short story writer. Now, Max Kaleda loses the battle, finding the metal of the chain to be adulterated, mixed, and cultured. So, as per weight and promise, he takes out money from his pocket and hands it over to Mr. Ramsay, Mrs. Ramsay. Every passenger sitting on the boat begins to laugh at the turn of the event. Thus, all the passengers come to know the reality of the knowledge of Max Kaleda. The story ends in humor, laughter, and amusement. All the passengers know what Max Kaleda is. The title of the short story is significant, apt, and justified because Mr. Max Kaleda claims to be Mr. Know-all, which turns to be ridiculous, laughing, mocking, and humorous at the end of the story. In a nutshell, the in Mr. Know-all is a very successful story. It is full of suspense, um, curiosity, turn, and twist. It is a very uh, good story of English literature. Dear students, I think you must have understood the summary of Mr. Know-all, and you will be able to write a question on Mr. Know-all in university exams or university examinations. Thank you very much.